Hello everyone, Darwin here from Filipino Tech Addict. So the Huawei Mate 20 series has officially launched last week here in the Philippines. But if you haven't seen the device yet, we have prepared something for you today. So welcome to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro preview. So here are the Huawei Mate 20 Pro specs.
The Huawei Mate 20 Pro has a screen size of 6.39-inch AMOLED display with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is running under Android 9.0 Pie with the MUI 9.0. It has a 40 megapixel with f1.8 aperture main camera lens, together with the 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and the 8 megapixel telephoto lens. On the storage size, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro has a base model of 128GB of internal storage. Powering the device is the high silicon Kirin 980 7nm octa-core processor, together with the Mali G76 MP10 GPU. This device has some security measures like Face ID and the new in-display fingerprint scanner. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is now also Qi wireless fast charging capable, and it has a 4200 mAh battery. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is now also IP68 dust and water resistant.
So yung mga top 5 features na nagustuhan ko sa Huawei Mate 20 Pro is first of all yung kanyang processor. And second is the storage. And pangatlo yung integration ng waterproof niya. So this one is IP68 water and dust resistant. Pangapat yung battery niya. So this one has a 4200 mAh of battery. So this battery can last a whole day of extensive use, and one thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya is yung fast charging niya. And lastly, yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya, syempre yung camera. So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is priced at 49,990. So what are you waiting for? Get the Huawei Mate 20 Pro.